Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 127 of Building the Delorean. Well, the Delorean extras. We finished the Delorean itself. What we're building now is the plutonium box, the box that he keeps his plutonium in. We're starting with the lid. We're going to be putting the handle on the lid and little brackets on the side there. And then that's it for now. But next time we're going to be continuing with that. Looking at the anniversary issue again with Jimmy Kimmel. The appearance on there, I didn't know anything about that, but all good stuff. Lots of pictures and things on there. Good. Nice stuff. I'm assuming that they were in character throughout. I don't know. There we go. Looking at Suited Up, the radiation protection suit. Obviously, when he was Darth Vader or whatever it was. Yeah. In the next issue, we're continuing with the plutonium case and still looking at the 30th anniversary in 2015. So let's get the lid built. Okay, this is fairly easy. We have the lid, obviously the nice yellow colour there. We've got the two brackets that are going to go on the side of it and the bit that's going to go on the top. So we're going to need 8 screws for that. How many have we got in here? Quite a few. What have we got? 2, 4, 7. One more. That'd be 8. That'd be good. Let's keep those for later. So one of these we put in the bracket. The handle goes through the bracket. That. And then the bracket goes on the top. Like that. Sort of like that. I've messed it up already. Not really messed it up. Just haven't got it in the right place, lined up properly. There we go. That's that there. So multiple screws to go in there. Getting a few. Hopefully I'll get in a few. We'll see. It's a screw on a screwdriver. I might need a finer screwdriver. This is pretty fine, but these are very tiny screws. Let's see how that works. Get that lined up over there. See if that goes in there. The thing, it's going in. So I won't tighten it down because I need to make sure it lines up properly with all of these screws. It's going to rotate a bit anyway. There's one more. Let's get one more opposite over there, I think. Same for that. Yep, there we have it. That's that. Let's get the others in anyway. There's not much building to be done on this, so I might as well do all of it live. Then you can see exactly where we end up. That one there, one more. In the last screw hole. About right. Nope. Thought it was just enough, but it wasn't just enough. Neither was that. Come on. It's always the last one that proves to be a pain in the bottom. We'll get there. Let's try that one more time. That's stuck on my finger. Right, that's definitely on there. That's definitely where it's got to go. And it's definitely not liking it. Right, you know all that stuff I said about doing it all live? I'll do that one. I'll do that one later, just in case that screws a problem. So as well as the handle, we have 2 other parts to put on this time round. Oh, come on. You know you want to go on there nicely without giving me any trouble at all, don't you? We've got these 2 brackets which go on there. Do they have a thing? No. Do have a hinge piece. I need to make sure they go the correct way round. Which way round should that be? It looks like that hinge piece is coming outwards. Have a look. Yeah. So these have a outwards facing bend. So that will go on there like that. See, if this is going to play ball, but it's not, is it? May need to find a smaller screwdriver because this is not quite right. Try that again. There's one hole lined up. There's lined up, but it might not quite be lined up. Come on, you know you want to do it. Teeny tiny fiddly things. Normally, my forte. I'm normally good at this sort of stuff. Today, kicking my backside. That's lined up properly. I can see both holes in that. Let's go to a smaller screwdriver. What have I got? The hand. Is that going to be a bit bigger, in fact? Try my electric one that's got quite a fine tip on it. Try that. No, it's just wobbling all over the place. It's me. It's all me that's been a problem with this today. Yeah, that's not liking it. Right, let's go back to this. One more try before I give up and swear at it off camera. Going on there, okay. It's being held on there all right. Can't even pick up the bit now. There it is. Get that the right way around once again. In the right place once again. Right, let's try really holding that in place there. And then getting that in there. No, right. I shall do these off camera and show you it when it's finished. Okay, there you go. All screws in on the handle and indeed on the little clips on the back. Working as intended. Looking good. Got all the radioactive stickers and that on there already. Good to go. Right, I think next time we get the other part of the box, so we'll continue building that soon. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon. Bye-bye for now.